Getting started with robotics programming.
Entering robotics and automation means choosing the right programming language. The ideal languages enable you to control hardware, process data, and automate complex tasks. Different roles and projects may require particular skills, so learning the most effective languages is the first step towards a successful career in robotics and automation.
Python, popular and beginner-friendly.
Python stands out for its simplicity and readability, making it perfect for beginners. Its extensive libraries, like ROSPy for Robot Operating System, OpenCV for Vision, and NumPy for data processing, make automation tasks easier. Python is widely used in prototyping, simulation, and high-level logic, which makes it a top choice for robotics enthusiasts and professionals alike.
C and C++, power and performance.
C and C++ are valued for their execution speed and precise hardware control. They allow developers to interact directly with microcontrollers, sensors, and actuators, which are essential in robotics. Many robotics platforms, including the core of Robot Operating System, ROS, rely on C++. Mastery of these languages opens doors to advanced robotics and embedded systems work.
MATLAB, advanced modeling and simulation.
MATLAB is widely used for mathematical modeling, control systems, and simulations in robotics and automation. Engineers use MATLAB to design algorithms, test virtual robots, and analyze sensor data efficiently. Although less common for real-time control, MATLAB skills are highly valued for rapid prototyping and research in academic and industrial settings.
Other noteworthy languages.
Java is utilized in Android-based robotics and for networked automation systems. JavaScript can play a role in web-based robotics interfaces. Additionally, specialized languages like ladder logic are essential in industrial automation, especially for programming programmable logic controllers, PLCs, found in factories. Exploring these languages can broaden your skill set in robotics.
Choosing your path forward.
Selecting the best language depends on your interests and goals. Python is great for rapid development, C++ for performance, and MATLAB for prototyping. Consider projects you want to work on, such as industrial automation, research, or embedded systems. Learning multiple languages increases your opportunities and prepares you for the evolving landscape of robotics and automation.